Ah, oh, that's hot.
Shit.
That's
Here we go
hot.
again.
Hey, people. Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to continue on with our process of the $25 digital business and promoting it on My Lead Gen Secrets. Right. All right. So what we're doing here, now as you may know at this point that, I'm sorry. Okay. So what you might know is that $25 business, right? It pays $20 and $100 monthly commissions, and you get paid 80% of your commissions every commission you get, right? I managed to get another sale today. Like you see, it's turned to 4. One person got a refund. So one person got a refund. So what that adds up to is $360 per month, guys.
Nice.
It's kind of wild, right? $360 per month. All right, so let's keep it moving here. So we bite the 360. So we're gonna continue on trying to make this money happen. Got 3 people in it. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna head back to My Lead Gen Secrets here, right? Now, I got a sale last time. It seems like I get sales when I make the email myself on the spot. So that's what I'm gonna do, make a quick email on the spot. So let's look for a decent title here. It's a good title, I think. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna pick this title in now. Under pay per year income, whether you're working or not, right? That sounds like a good title to me. All right, so now let's find something to put in there. Okay, we're gonna copy this part. Copy that. Now let's try posting it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this all smaller. Going down to 14. We're going to the front. We're gonna put this over here. We're gonna bold these. I'm gonna write some more stuff. 80 commissions. I'm writing this like in real time, guys. I don't have no plan or anything. I'm writing this in real time. That's why it's taking me so long to think about what I'm gonna pick. That's new normal. Right. What's all? What if we put this on? Yeah, that looks 80%. 120. Okay. There you go. All right, so issues. So we're gonna put that in right there. Start it now. Get started now. And yeah, we're just gonna put that. So let's get our link here. Now remember, to get your link, you just come here and click on copy here and you'll get your link. I just made mine. I bought a domain name for mine so it'll look a little cleaner, but you don't have to do that. You definitely don't have to do that. My funnel. All right, here go my link here. All right, guys. So we're gonna paste the link in there for us. Boom, like this. Sorry that took so long, man. I just had to write something. Sounded good, in my opinion. Bold that. It looks pretty good overall, I think. All right, so that looks good. So we're gonna go with this. Looks pretty solid. Hold up. Let's bold this. 80%. But that's important to know, you know. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Let's see if the link works. And it's short. You see, if it's short like that, people kind of can read that and not get bored. That's an important part, guys. Keep them shorter, the shorter emails, so they won't be bored when they read them. You know what I mean? But anyway, for my lead gen secrets at least, I feel like the shorter emails tend to work a little better. All right, so we're gonna send this email here because we're done. Make sure you click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, they'll send the email around the time that people usually check their email. So if they check them around 8 o'clock in the morning, they'll send an email around 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, so since we're copying and pasting here to our other accounts here, so we're gonna open a new tab, go to our new account, log out on this new account, on this new tab here. And then we're gonna click on our new account, log in on that, so we can copy and paste the email that we just wrote. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Copy, paste. All right, copy, paste, and we're done. Send the email. Boom. That's your second email there. Okay, guys, make sure you remember that now. Doing the same thing. So we're gonna log out on this one. Log into the next one here. Next account. All right, so copy. Where you come from? Anyway. Perfect timing. Copy. Paste. Boom, we're done. All right, let's hit the preview. Make sure the link works. It works. All right, so guys, that's all it takes, man. Send the email, boom, you're done. And that's how easy it is to make these things work, guys. I show you guys that it's just that simple. I'm building up a monthly income doing this, and it's getting pretty stagnant now. It's $360 per month, as long as people don't leave. Which this system has the best affiliate system in the world, so there's no reason to really leave, because you actually buying stuff that you actually need to use. So, and let's talk about the I want to talk about how much money you can make on this system, because I think it's important to show you guys how much money you can actually make with this. You can make 20 to 120 per month. So even if, let's say somebody decides, hey, I just want the funnel, that's $20 per month you make off of that funnel. That only costs $25 a month. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. All right, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.